So you're going out of the exam test center. Make it a wide turn. Make another wide turn because there might be cars parked over here for the car exams. You come back to the right lane. Make sure you go slowly. There might be pedestrians over here. Check nicely. Roll slowly. No pedestrians. Keep going out in your right lane. Remember, there's two lanes. One lane for the traffic to come inside the exam center, and the other lane is the right lane, the one we're supposed to be staying in. Put the left signal on. Check pedestrians thoroughly. Left side, right side. So roll ahead in order to have a better view of your left-right traffic. Check nicely to the right side. Check nicely to the left side. Take a look at the far. If no cars are coming, say if the cars are behind the right side traffic light and the left side traffic light, you gotta go straight way into the left lane. Let that trailer straighten itself. McDougal Avenue, forward route, going left turn on Eugenie Street. The very first left turn. Scan the traffic. There's a traffic coming, cars coming from the front side. We're waiting at that solid green light. The street is clear. Make it a wide turn. Use the help of the mirrors. Use the help of the bike lane. The speed is 50 on the Eugenie Street here. Keep going straight towards the McDougal Avenue. There's a bike guy going. Don't worry, they have a separate lane, but be cautious if there's no any separate lane. You're gonna turn right on the McDougal Avenue, stay in your lane. We're gonna make it a wide turn. Make sure you stay in between the middle of your lane. We're gonna go straight, use the help of the intersection itself to make it a wide turn. So after turning, keep the left steer tire, driver's side tire, stay close to the yellow line. Keep scanning the pedestrians. Go straight. Start counter steering, staying close to the yellow line so the trailer doesn't hit the curb. Keep going at the safe speed on this McDougal Avenue. Keep the right steer tire close to the curb so the trailer is staying in the middle of your lane. Turn right on the Howard Avenue from the McDougal Avenue. Keep scanning the pedestrians. Watching the traffic. We're gonna make it a wide turn so the trailer is coming from right to right lane. We're gonna swing wide the tractor to the left lane. Keep checking the mirror so the trailer is coming right to right lane. Keep going straight in the right lane. The speed is 50 on the Howard Avenue. take the exit of E0 West. Be careful on this right turn. That's the yield sign. Watch for the cars trying to go on the E0. Be careful. Don't try to go faster. Keep scanning the traffic, make it a wide turn so the trailer is not hitting the curb. Stay in the middle of your lane. Try to speed up your best before going to the E0 West on the highway. The best, fastest possible speed. Cut the signal off. Try to bump the speed to 100 kilometers possibly. There's no traffic blockage in the front of you. Keep going in your right lane. We're gonna try lane change and come back to our lane whenever possible. It is safe. Scan the traffic. It's not safe to do right now. Safe to do. Put the signal on. Check in the mirror. Keep going straight in your lane. Scan the traffic. We're about to come back to the right lane. There's no people on the right side. Put the signal on. Take the exit of Huron Church from the E0. The speed on the ramp is 50. We're gonna try slow down. To turn left on Huron Church in order to take the exit of E0 East. Stay in the right lane. We're gonna make it a wide turn. We're gonna go back to the last lane in order to take the exit back to the E0 East. Keep scanning the traffic. possibly it is safe. Check the mirrors. It's clear. Keep the signal on. We're gonna come back to our right lane whenever possible it is safe. Check the mirrors. You can exit on Howard Avenue from the ECO east. Watch the traffic carefully. Follow the speed limit on the ramp. Keep going in the left lane. Make sure there's only one lane going left, the very farthest left. Put the signal on. There's a 3 lanes going left. We're gonna use the help of the middle one to go to the very first left lane. Keep scanning the traffic. Keep checking the mirrors. Maintain the gap of a car from the front. We're gonna go straight. Use the help of the middle lane. But we're gonna steer back to the left lane. The trailer has gone left to left lane. Go straight up it. Check the mirrors, check the traffic. Only go to the right lane if possibly safe. We're gonna keep going straight in our right lane on the Howard Avenue. Remember, the speed is 50. Whenever possibly it is safe. Check the traffic. It's busy. Still gonna put the signal on. Keep checking the mirrors, the side mirrors, the front. Maintain the gap. Turn left from Howard Avenue to McDougal Avenue. It will be green arrow advanced lights, then solid green lights. Be careful. One. We're allowed to go past the yellow line over here if there's no traffic. If there's a traffic, keep the left steer on the yellow in order to avoid hitting the trailer tire to the curb. turn left on the Eugenie from McDougal Street. Maintain the 1-car distance at the front. Keep scanning the traffic, keep checking the mirrors. We're gonna wait behind the white line. If there's a 1 car in the middle of the intersection, now we can enter. The car is far at the front. Use the help of the bike lane. Keep checking the mirrors. The trailer has gone left to left lane. That's the Eugenie Street. The speed is 50. Keep scanning the traffic, keep checking the mirrors, maintain the 1-car gap at the front. Both hands on the steering all the time. Last right turn, Dougal Avenue back to the drive test center. Keep checking for pedestrians in the intersection on the right side. Keep scanning the traffic, keep checking the mirrors. Making a wide turn, use the help of the left lane in order to steer trailer back to the right lane. So that's the exam test center on your right side. Keep the signal on for the right. Check traffic thoroughly that is coming out of the exam center. If there will be any car on the driveway that is coming out of the drive test center, you gotta put the right signal on and wait over here behind the no parking sign, this street light. Say all the cars are gone, you gotta keep going straight. So technically you need the space where the cars were parked trying to go out of the exam center to make it a wide turn. The trailer is going to go on the curve, but that's allowed. Technically they don't want us to use the help of the left lane, because that's a live lane on your left side. Now keep going in the right lane. Perform your emergency pullover. Used to be able to stop by the wall, put the four-way flashes on.